Types of adaptations. 1. Structural adaptation. And 2. Behavioral adaptation.
What is the meaning of a structural adaptation?
It is a change in the body structure of a living organism to help it survive. Examples: the blood vessels in a penguin's feet and the thick fur on the polar bear.
And what is the meaning of behavioral adaptation?
It is a change in behaviors or acts of a living organism to help it survive. Examples: desert lizard looks for shade during hot sunny days. Migration of some animals towards certain regions.
Let's have more examples for structural and behavioral adaptation. Number 1. Fennec fox. Its habitat is hot, dry desert. First, for structural adaptation, it has tan-colored coat, sandy-colored fur, and that provides camouflage to hide in sandy or rocky environment. And also, it protects it from the hot sun. Also, fennec fox has extra large ears to help it lose the heat to cool its body. Second, behavioral adaptation. It pants like dogs to cool its body, where it takes up to 700 breaths per minute. Number 2, it lives in burrows to stay cool during sunny days. Number 3, it eats all kinds of food, like insects, fruit, plant roots, and even the remains from another animal's prey. The second example is Arctic fox. Its habitat is tundra desert with temperature as cold as 50 Celsius degree below zero in the winter months.
First, structural adaptation. 1. It has a thick fur coat to keep its body warm in extreme cold climate. Its fur coat is white during winter but turns brown in summer when the snow melts to help it sneak up on its prey in any season. 3. It has a short ears and legs to help it stay warm. Second, behavioral adaptation. 1. It lives in burrows to stay warm at night. 2. It eats all kinds of food, like insects, fruits, plants, roots, and even the remains from another animal's prey.
Note the special shape of ears in both fennec fox and Arctic fox allow excellent hearing to help them hunt.
Give reason for both fennec fox in hot dry desert and Arctic fox in cold tundra eat all kinds of food. Because it's hard to find food in the hot dry desert and in the cold tundra. Bull shark. Most sharks can live only in salt water, but bull shark, their bodies have adapted to live in both fresh and salt water. Habitat: fresh water and salt water. First, structural adaptation. Its body is adapted to survive in fresh water where no other sharks live in fresh water, so it has less competition to find food. It uses a strategy called counter shading, where it has a dark back and white belly to sneak up on its prey. It has sharp teeth to cut its prey's flesh. Second, behavioral adaptation. It eats different types of food as it lives in both fresh water and salt water. It hunts during the day and night, so it can surprise its prey. Counter shading in bull shark. When an animal swims above the ocean, it may not see the bull shark in the shadows due to its dark back. When an animal swims underneath the bull shark and looking up, the bull shark may blend in with the bright light of the sun due to its belly. The panther chameleon. Lizards are from reptiles. They are an ancient type of animals found all over the world in different environments. Bodies of reptiles are covered with scales, such as starred agama lizard and panther chameleon. Adaptation of the panther chameleon to survive in its own environment. Its habitat is tropical rainforest. First, structural adaptation. Chameleon eyes can face opposite directions where each eye can move independently from the other, so one eye can search for food, like insects, while the other eye looks out for danger in different directions. Chameleon has V-shaped feet and a tail like hand to hold tightly the branches of the tree. Chameleon has brightly colored scales to help it make camouflage and hide between green leaves and colorful flowers. Second, behavioral adaptation. When chameleon finds itself in danger, it doesn't have teeth or claws to defend itself, but it can scare enemies by some other tricks, such as 1. It puffs up its body with air. 2. It opens its mouth wide. 3. It changes the colors of its scales.
And now, give reason 4. The panther chameleon can hunt its prey and avoid becoming a prey at the same time.
Because it can search for food with one eye while its other eye looks out for danger in a different direction.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. See you next lesson. Goodbye.